You want to highlight a product or a collection in your search results? You can set it up right from the theme editor. To get this, we first need to create a menu. Let's go to the Shopify admin. Go to Content, then Menus. Create a new menu. Now we add 3 items. You can choose between products, collections, pages, or blog posts. I'm going to add a collection, a product, and a blog post. Our menu is ready. Now let's go to the theme editor and connect it. Open theme settings, scroll down to search behavior, toggle on additional content links, set a title, and in the dropdown, select the menu we just created. Let's see. I type a search query, and right above the products, there are the 3 items we just added: the product, the collection, and the blog post. A couple more things you can adjust. Right now the location is set to top, so the links appear above the results. Switch it to side, and they move next to the result. And if you enable full width, the results stretch across the page. Turn it off, and they stay narrower. This is Aries, a Shopify theme I built. Everything you just saw is native to the theme, ready to use from the editor. Check it out at ariesvisionlab.com.